Alright, what's going on, guys? Rusty here, and today we're with another riding video. We actually just spent the last hour working on these bikes because both of our chains were really loose. I got a new chain, new sprockets. I think I'll probably get that video out first of me changing all of that and stuff. I didn't record a lot of it, but just a little bit of it. Got new handlebars, pretty nice, pro tapers. I got a lot of new stuff for it and put those on. So you guys will probably see that video before this one, and if you haven't seen it, then you can go back and check it out after this video or whatever. But sat for like an hour working on these bikes. Oof. But I've lost a lot of top speed because I got smaller. What did I do? I know I got a smaller front one. I think I got a bigger back one. So basically both of those increase the torque and decrease the top end speed. So I'm going quite a bit slower than I used to on this thing. The only reason I did that was so that I could maybe do wheelies and stuff too. I want to learn how to do wheelies, but I don't know if I ever will. I'm kind of not a balls deep kind of guy, and I'm really scared I'll end up fucking wrecking this thing. It won't do it in fourth. No, it still doesn't. I don't know what that is. Every time I try to pop a wheelie, it doesn't sound good. But hopefully, guys, I'm gonna have that bike soon. It's not like the best looking bike. It's got scratches and shit because it's been dropped before. Evidently, the engine was just rebuilt, and it's got those blue clutch lever and brake levers. It's a pretty nice bike, and it's a 300cc. But I'm hoping to have it soon because he's going to be selling that and getting a 1200cc Harley Sportster. So hopefully I'm going to be able to get that bike soon, and it'll be fucking fun. And that's another thing too, I might do wheelies on it rather than this one. Just depends.
I don't know why, but I feel like I have more vibration. Like my feet feel like tingly. I never feel it.
My bike wants to go forward right now. The clutch isn't doing anything. I don't know. But I can't get grip to push this thing back. I don't know why it does this.
So if you like let go of your brake right now, you're gonna go forward?
Yeah, it wants to crawl forward on me.
The clutch all the way in?
Yeah, it's all the way to the fucking grip. That's what I was doing last time too.
What did you do?
I just undid this a little bit.
You want to stop the Sonic fast over it? You want to do it right there?
Yeah, we can stop a Sonic or whatever.
See if we can get it fixed.
Good old Chinese back tires. They last forever.
Yeah, well.
I actually don't have my pliers on me.
If not, do you need some? Huh?
I'm not exactly sure. Maybe not.
Because I know Dustin has some inside. I might have to go get them because I saw our supervisors here. So I don't know if I could go in like this without getting on that.
Yeah.
Do you need some?
No. Oh yeah. I was like, how am I doing this? But then I realized the kickstand was still out. Yeah, it's working good now. Probably one of the most useless stops we've ever made, but...
Oh well. At least you got his back to not fucking stupid. I don't know how to ride for the first time.
Oh yeah. Oh, the fuck was that?
Fucking die.
Okay, it actually almost wanted to do a wheelie right there, maybe. Oh yeah, perfect.
Every time I shifted a fucking second right there, it just died.
Huh?
Yeah.
I almost just died.
Why?
I walked up the brakes right there and the back end went. So when I stopped, I went.
How'd it go?
You wanna go to the car wash?
You wanna ride this?
Huh?
You wanna ride this?
Nah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I guess I'll ride it.
Hey, at least try it. We can go back that way. You can stop whenever you want to.
I just don't necessarily like the gravel.
You wanna go back up there?
It don't matter. Put the kickstand back up. Creeper forward. Oh. Oh boy.
Oh, it feels weird.
Yeah.
It feel weird?
Yeah. This feels like awful. It's, I don't know, it feels like it's gonna kill me.
It's not gonna kill you.
I know, but
Yeah, this is weird. Everything's like so like little.
alright, well. Ah, your end right here is in the throttle.
No.
That feels weird. Because my entire thing is the throttle.
No. I'll just keep my hand like right here.
Yeah, he's gone. Okay, that's in first. We're gonna go up to like third probably. I'm going so slow.
Like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's got some power.
It's so much vibration.
Huh?
I feel so much vibration in my on this.
You feel so much what?
Vibration.
Oh, yeah. It is Chinese.
So little. I kept putting this shit up past 4th gear and I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah, this thing feels so nice, honestly. I'm definitely, like, the handlebars are so much more forward. I don't think I'm going to do a wheelie ever on this thing. Unless I get some major fucking balls. Oh, this feels so much more, like, jerky than my bike. Like, if I start to, like... Oh, I don't feel like I can... Woo, almost killed it, actually.
Go fast!
Huh?
Go fast!
Go fast? Holy shit, got to 70 miles an hour. Tommy is gone at this point.
This thing feels so weird. Dude, it makes my butthole like tingle. It's so much fun.
Oh, it just feels so fast. I love it.
Ah, there we go.
Your kickstand is in such a different place.
Yeah.
Well, how's she feel?
Fucking weird. Really weird, and I think I weigh a little too much for it.
Yeah.
It doesn't want to move.
The chain's just so loose, I don't know how.
Dude, my butthole feels weird.
Oh, yeah.
Like, if that thing vibrates like a motherfucker. Did this not feel too bad then?
No, not really.
You like the speed?
Oh, yeah.
You look good on it. You don't look so fucking small.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. That was fun.
Does that make you want to buy a little bit more?
A little bit, yeah. I sat on it though, and I was like, there ain't no way in hell I'm pulling a wheelie on this thing.
Yeah.
It just doesn't feel like a wheelie bike. It just, you sit kind of forward, and I don't know, the handlebars
do
are.
it, but it'd be hard. It'd be a weird. That would be so much easier to do it on.
I figured that one might be a little easier just because of how much power it has compared to this one.
Yeah.
Because you have to time like either your squat or your pull up at the right time. With that one, you could just probably just drop the clutch and it might do it.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, just the way it feels is not a wheelie bike.
I've been riding this for a while. I feel like I didn't know how to do anything. Like I'm like,
Yeah.
everything's so much farther down. Like your gear shifter, when you press it, I'm like fucking here. That one,
I know, and that one, I barely feel it shift.
Yeah.
Mine, you literally hear it and feel it go boom.
If you fucking get going quick and do fast shifts, I literally don't even think I click it all the way up, but it shifts.
Yeah, you literally don't feel that one. Mine's got a very hard donk when it goes up.
Riding, or
Huh?
you want to keep riding for a little bit?
Maybe for a small little bit more.
508.
Yeah, maybe till like 5:20 or something. Go home, or go to your house, put the bike up, go to my parents, talk to them till probably like 6:30 or 7 and leave. Oh my god, it sounds so bad. So it feels so much better? Yeah, this thing, I think this feels better compared to that. But I do really like the way that feels compared to this one. But I'm way more used to this.
Yeah.
So it just feels nicer as is. Once I get riding that thing a lot, I'll like that one way more.
This thing has a kick and a half for speed, but I know it'll have a lot for you.
Woo! That was not okay.
Fucking bitch ass light.
It wouldn't have been so bad, but that little hill or little bump right there in the road, I started sliding with my back tire.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't care, and then I went like over the side of it, and it skimmed my back end out a little bit.
Dude, look at that fucking, is that advanced mother? Holy shit, yes it is.
Holy shit! That thing's on fire.
Is it on fire?
I don't think so, but it's sure as hell what it looks like.
It really does. Is it coming from the van?
It's what it looks like. There's hot boxing the hell in there.
It looks like it's coming from under it though.
We can go. Just stop that. Alright guys, this is probably gonna be the end of this video. Anyways, it's gonna be the end of this video. So hopefully I'll get this out to you guys soon. Or at least a video, because I haven't uploaded in a while, but hopefully I'm gonna have a video probably out before this one of us working on the bike, and then I'll have this video put out for you guys if there's not a gaming video in between that. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!